Welcome back to Angrezi Suno or Bolo. Today we are taking you to a coffee shop. Let's practice ordering your favorite drink in English. Ready? Let's get started. Customer. Hi, can I get a cappuccino please? Barista. Sure. Would you like that hot or iced? Customer. Hot please. Can I get it with almond milk? Barista. Of course. Anything else? Customer. No, that's all. How much is it? Barista, that will be 350 rupees. Customer, here you go. Thanks. Barista, thank you. Your drink will be ready soon. Thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed this coffee shop conversation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video and keep practicing your English.